everyone. Today we're going to pour levels. So what you'll need is a jug with water, 3 glasses or 3 cups, and some tape or an erasable marker that you can use to write with on your glass, and that can easily come off when you clean it. Okay? What I did was I took tape and I put the tape around each glass at different levels. Let's get started. What we're going to do is pour the water in up to the first line of the tape. Now, if you need more water, feel free to fill up your jug again. I made a little spill, so I'm gonna wipe it off. We did it! We poured all of the water up to the levels that we made on the glass. When we're done, remember to pour the water into the sink. And we did it! No cats allowed on the counter.